Where you start when it comes down to the physical change of the ADR is removal of the doors, all 4 doors, the hard top, the full interior, all the way down to the sound deadening and carpeting, all the seats. Wheels come off, it goes up on a jack stand, and it sits in a position that it's gonna make a major transformation. Everything other than the core part of the Jeep that needs to stay the same. The mechanicals have already been converted. We know that that's right. Now it's really just the substructure. As of right now, all the components are here. It's time to get to work and build this thing out.